Alrighty, what is up everybody? My name is Consuela and I am a skincare consultant and owner of A Queen's Essentials, organic soaps, and natural body products. What I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful body scrub. But first, what I'm going to do is give you the benefits and the ingredients that it entails in this body scrub, and also stay until the end and I will present you a special offer. Okay, first let's talk about the benefits. The benefits of the body scrubs are good by promoting efficient circulation and skin cell turnover. It's also good in removing dead cells from the skin surface. So it's smoothing and softening rough, dry skin. It's also drawing out impurities and clearing congestion. It also is freeing ingrown hairs and smoothing razor bumps. Scrubs should only be used 2 or 3 times a week, and rubbing in a circular motion is most effective as it helps to free ingrown hairs and is less abrasive than a back and forth movement. The ingredients I'm using today are jasmine carrier oil, orchid essential oil, which helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It also moisturizes, soothes, and conditions the skin for bright and radiant complexion and flawless skin tone. It also helps fight UV radiation. I'm also using a lemon essential oil. It is an antioxidant, vitamin C, kills bacteria, and you shouldn't apply this by itself. You should dilute it with carrier oil, of course. And it also has a natural stress reliever, and it decreases anxiety and depression. And last but not least, I am using the main ingredient, which is organic sugar for the body. I'm using a more coarse one because this helps better with the body scrub. The other ingredient, which is going to pop this out in a beautiful color, is the hibiscus flower powder. It's originated in Asia, also from Malaysia, and it's a flower in its native place being Hawaii. It's smoother for your skin, excellent in hydration. It breaks down, of course, dead skin, increasing cell turnover. And of course, I am using the liquefying olive oil, which has amazing benefits for the skin. It's good for scars and stretch marks, fading clogged pores, irritation, and it's a natural source of AHA, which I'm going to get into in another one of my videos. Stay tuned for the end so you can get this special offer. So let's get started. First one I'm going to use the pure cane sugar. It's all natural. This is about 2 cups, give or take. You guys are going to know I'm not a good measurer, but I'm going to do it for y'all a little bit. So we have the 2 cups of pure cane sugar. And what I'm going to do during this process, I'm going to use a whisk. The reason I love to use a whisk is because it makes it fluffier and easier to mix. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start pouring the olive oil in. Okay, so our sugar is in here, which is our main ingredient for the scrub. I'm going to now start to add the olive oil. And I think this is probably about a cup. And then of course you can add as you go if you want it a little thicker or a little thinner. Okay, I am stirring this up for you guys. All right. So next I am going to add our lemon oil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of lemon oil. And that's lemon essential oil. Next, I'm going to also add a teaspoon of orchid essential oil. Also, I'm going to add an essential oil called Energize. It is also good, perfect for anxiety, and also it has a mandarin and yang yang mixture to it. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of this. There's nothing like mixing like flowers and citrus. Oh my gosh, it just makes you feel so energized and calm at the same time. Last, I'm gonna add jasmine. And I love jasmine so much, it's just like literally a little bit in here. So I'm just gonna dump this in here, the rest of it, okay? All right, so now I'm gonna mix this up. And it is smelling awesome. And how you usually use this is when you're in the shower or in the bath. Of course, you've already bathed, and then you're applying this as almost like a conditioner for your body. Once you apply the scrub, of course, in a circular motion, you will then rinse off. It'll leave your body also moisturized with an amazing smell. I mean, you'll be smelling up the whole bathroom with this body scrub, okay? Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Okay, and this is what it looks like before I'm about to add that amazing hibiscus powder. And what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna start off with 2 teaspoons of hibiscus powder, and you're gonna see how this vibrant color is just gonna change the whole mood of everything. Oh my gosh, this color is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Like I said, it's to your liking, however you would want to do it to make it a little more liquefied or a little more coarse. I like it kind of in the middle for my body scrubs. You guys should see this color, but before I show you, I'm just gonna add a little bit more to it. Okay. This is perfect after a long day of work when you want to relax and exfoliate your body at the same time, renewing your skin. All right, it is coming together here. Are you guys ready to see this amazing color? All right, just take a look at that. You see how beautiful that color is? It looks absolutely amazing. Kind of like a light purplish, fuchsia-like color. It is amazing. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm about to go ahead and can this for you. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells absolutely amazing. Now what I'm about to do is I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the containers for you guys and show you how to store it. You can store these at room temperature, or if you like them a little cool, you can perhaps put them in the refrigerator to take them out just to give another ambiance to the situation. All right. You can get these containers from Michael's. You can also get them from Amazon. These are 4-ounce containers. I'll take my whisk here. You can use a little scoop. This is so easy to do. Just tap it a little. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Makes me want to go get in the bathtub right now. And get away from the kids and the hubby. Close the door and relax. And you can name your sugar scrubs. You can call this whatever you want. Today I'm just gonna call this Hibiscus Love. All right, I was almost accurate. I'm usually very accurate than this. This maybe is about another 2-3 ounces, but I still did great. And here you are, you have it. Here is your Hibiscus Love Body Scrub. Stay tuned again for more exciting videos and also tutorials on my next amazing scenes and teaching you how to love on your skin. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Just because you stayed until the very end of this video, please click on the link below where I will provide you a 21-day checklist on how to develop an amazing skincare regimen. Remember, stay queenfident. Bye.